match. Yesterday I came out and I was disappointed with the way I played and I had to do hard, so I made sure to come out and fix it today. And DP is obviously a tough player. I've played many times before and it's good to get the job done.
Tough encounter out there. Your thoughts on that? I'm playing Blaise, who is literally on fire right now.
Yeah, he played a very good match. Tried my best, but he had all the answers plus more. So different level, top 400 in the world, and he showed his class today.
I came out here today, I was pretty focused, I wanted to bring my best tennis to the table, so, I came out and I just started playing, started playing free, started going for it. I started feeling my shots and, the whole game started to come together and, I pretty much eased through the first set. Second set, you put up a little bit of challenge, stayed in the points a bit longer, but, I didn't want to go a third set, so, I just stepped in and made short work of the points.
The last time you guys played, you beat him at the Jamaica Championships. Your thoughts on this match?
Yeah, he played really well this match. Started off a little slow, and he got back in the end. I was down quite a lot, 6-2, 4-love, and I came back to 4-all in the second set, but it wasn't enough, and he closed out well. So.
Was there anything that you probably wanted to do a little better today?
Yeah, my second serve could have been a lot better, and I could have started hitting out a little earlier instead of waiting till too late. But other than that, at the start, he was outplaying me.